In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Adjusting your artboard size might seem like a small detail, but it's actually a fundamental skill that can help improve the fluidity of your design work and ensure your projects are perfectly tailored to your needs. Let's dive right in and explore how to make these changes seamlessly. First, you'll need to navigate to the top menu of your Illustrator workspace. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu, select Document Setup. After that, you need to click on Edit Artboards. This action shifts your workspace into artboard editing mode, allowing you to modify your artboard sizes with ease. Now, if you prefer using shortcuts for quicker access, and who doesn't appreciate saving time, you can immediately activate the Artboard tool by pressing Shift+O on your keyboard. This is particularly handy for those who like to reduce mouse clicks and streamline their workflow. Once the Artboard tool is active, you can really take control. If your project includes multiple artboards, click on the particular one you want to resize. This selection process is as simple as clicking the artboard, and you'll know it's active because a bounding box with adjustable handles will surround it. Now, let's talk about how to change the dimensions. Look over to the right side of your screen, where the Properties panel usually appears. Here, you'll find that you can enter the precise width, denoted as W, and height, shown as H, values for your artboard. If you find inputting numbers manually suits your style, this is the option for you. Alternatively, if you're a more hands-on kind of creator, you can adjust your artboard by clicking and dragging the corner handles to your preferred size. After making the necessary changes and achieving the perfect artboard size, you'll want to exit the artboard editing mode. Simply click elsewhere in the workspace or switch to the selection tool by pressing the V key. This ensures that your new dimensions are set and you're no longer in artboard modification mode. Last but not least, remember to save your document. Saving your work is a crucial final step that ensures all changes are kept securely and prevents any frustrating loss of progress. Whether you hit Command+S or click on File, followed by Save, make sure this step becomes a habit. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. With practice, resizing your artboard will become second nature, enhancing your projects and streamlining your workflow. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy designing!